My MZ. This time, clutch reassembly. I'm showing you the parts now. All the new plates. Lined up already. I've used the outer ring. And of course, the inner ring. To line this all neatly up. But I did hit a snag. There was a fourth problem with my clutch in the EM301 engine, which one that I just discovered now. On the EM301, 3 of these bolts, which are the retainer bolts for the clutch springs, were loose. They had some damaged threads on this side with the under backing plate. So I ended up with disassembling the EM251 clutch to get this specific plate out. So, but now I have it, so here we go. Clunk. What it should be. Lovely. Then the upper plate. And then the bolts. The all new bolts. I ordered a clutch repair kit from a German firm who specializes in former communist bikes. Ostzweirad call themselves, which means something like East 2 cycles. Well, this set so far is of excellent quality. Everything seems to fit nicely. No problem at all. So I will continue for the moment. I'll see you back when all these bolts have been tightened up. 6 bolts. The housing are now tightened up, but not yet secured, as you see. These little plates I'm pointing on now are the retainer clips, if you know, like I call them that way. But I will do them later, because I don't want to lose now the alignment under here of my clutch plates. So I'm now first going to add the springs. There they are, all 6 of them. These little rings. And then this pressure plate. To be continued. Okay, a quick shot. Now with the clutch in place. As you may see, clutch is not held by any nuts or whatsoever at present. It's only held in its place by a conical pressing onto the crankshaft. And that is also the pressing, that conical pressing that will transfer all the engine power to the gearbox eventually. Later on, of course, it will be secured by a nut here, but that's only to happen after the whole thing has been closed up. I had to take away the whole footrest assembly, which is a Saxon and Fun feature only of the last 2 years of production, because well, they were hampering me to get anything over this gear shaft, gear lever shaft. Okay, I think soon the next soon next with more things on the bike.